Welcome to digitalconstructive.com, and in this video we're going to be talking about the C-61 D-24 Metal Products Contractor License. Now, what's covered under the D-24 Metal Products License? A metal products contractor installs, modifies, or repairs the following: metal cabinets, lockers, modular storage structures, mail chutes, cable racks, and aluminum or vinyl storm doors and windows, metal wall tiles, aluminum fascia covers and metal gutters, aluminum studs and truces, metal railings and turnstiles, metal prison cell accessories such as welded to structure cell furniture, grills, and cabinets. And that definition is straight from the CSLB website, and that's the Contractors State License Board. So essentially, you need a D-24 license in order to bid on any metal products projects where the total cost exceeds $500 in labor and materials. Now, how long does it take to get a California contractor license? You're looking at an average time frame of about 90 days. Typically, you can expect a 6 to 8 week application processing time, and then another 3 to 4 weeks before you go and take your exam. Now, that time can fluctuate, but on average, it's about 90 days. Now, the basic requirements for a California contractor license are that you're at least 18 years of age to apply. You've got to have a valid driver's license or USAID. You'll need a Social Security or ITIN number, and you can't currently be on probation or parole. Experience requirements are that you have at least 4 years full-time journey-level experience working with metal products. That has to be within the last 10 years. You'll need somebody that can sign off on that experience, and you'll also need to submit documentation of your experience if the CSLB asks to see proof. Now, who can you use to sign off on that experience? You could use a general contractor. You could use somebody that holds the D-24 license. You could use a foreman or supervisor. You could use a fellow journeyman or employee. And in some cases, you can even use a business associate. Now, you can also use somebody that has a sheet metal license or some type of steel license in some cases, but generally, these are the people who can sign off for you. Now, criminal history. Everybody's got to do live scan fingerprinting when they apply for a CSLB license. Be honest on the application if you do have a criminal record. Typically, if it doesn't include fraud, forgery, or embezzlement, you should be okay, but be ready to submit court documents just in case. Now, what's on the exam? You only need to pass one test. It's going to be 115 questions covering contractor license law. You'll have 3 hours to complete the exam. It's a multiple choice test. It's going to be done on site on a computer, and you can bring a translator the day of the exam if you pre-qualify for that. Now, the CSLB Law and Business exam covers business organization, covers business finances, employment requirements, bonds, insurance, and liens, contract requirements and execution, licensing requirements, safety, and there's a portion covering public works. Now, for additional information on study guides and practice exams, you can check out the link below. It's got a full guide covering everything that you need to know. Now, after you pass your exam, you'll get your results immediately. If you do need to do a retake, you can usually take your test again within 2 to 3 weeks. Once you pay your license activation and provide a contractor bond number, the CSLB should send you your contractor license in the mail, typically in about 2 to 3 weeks. Now, the costs for the California contractor license are that you're going to pay a state application fee, you'll pay a license activation fee and then a renewal fee every 2 years, you'll pay for the cost of fingerprinting, and you'll provide what's called a contractor bond number, which has a separate fee. Now, for the most up-to-date costs, you can check out a video that'll appear after this one, and it'll give you the most up-to-date CSLB license costs. Again, thank you for watching. This has been a very basic video on the D-24 license for metal contractors. For additional information on bonding, trade skills, and more, like and subscribe to our channel. Any questions that you have, feel free to drop them in the comments. And to see the full guide on this license, you can actually check out our website. There should be a link below. But again, thanks for watching, and this is digitalconstructive.com.